Here's I'll show you how to install and enable Gboard in Samsung Galaxy device. First of all, go to your Play Store and search for Gboard, and all you have to need install this Gboard app in your phone. Once the Gboard installed, go ahead and open the Gboard app, and now we have to enable Gboard. So tap on enable in settings, and here enable Gboard. Tap on OK. Go back. Tap on select input method. Here choose input method, select Gboard. Now go ahead and open your keyboard from any app. I'm opening Notes app, and let's create a dummy note to open my keyboard. And here, as you can see, this is my Gboard keyboard. And this is how you can actually do it. And to change your keyboard, tap on this keyboard icon. Here you can select Samsung keyboard, or you can switch your Gboard from here. That's how you can actually do it. Thanks for watching.